Welcome, heroes of data. Today we're diving into the world of Atlassian Apptoberfest 2023, where we unlock the superpower of data manipulation with the incredible Table Filter and Charts app. Now imagine our friend Bob. He's a wizard when it comes to handling data, but even he sometimes finds himself stuck in the chaotic world of unfiltered data. It's like he's lost in a sea of numbers and charts. But don't worry, Bob, because we have just the super solution for you, the Table Filter and Charts app. This app is designed to transform you from a data dud to a data superhero. First things first, Bob. How do you usually sift through your mountain of data? If it's a time-consuming process, we've got something better for you. The Table Filter and Charts app allows you to filter and sort your data with just a few clicks. No more endless scrolling through spreadsheets. But wait, there's more. With this fantastic app, you can also create stunning charts and graphs without breaking a sweat. Visualizing trends and insights has never been this easy. And guess what? You can share your dashboards with your team. Imagine the level of collaboration you'll achieve. You and your team will be the data avengers, conquering data chaos one filter at a time. So, are you ready to unleash your data superpowers with the Table Filter and Charts app? Prepare to be amazed at Apptoberfest 2023. Join us and together, we'll change the way you work with data forever. Until then, keep filtering, keep charting, and keep being the data superhero that you are. And remember, the Table Filter and Charts app is your data hero.
Who's Bob? Where's Captain America?